Hello everyone. In this example, we are given that if y varies inversely as v and u varies directly as w cubed, find the relationship between u and v, given that u equal to 1 when v equal to 2. Okay, so we'll start by interpreting the sentence given to us in terms of equations. Okay, w varies inversely as v. What does this mean? Inversely means 1 over v. Okay, so this is the sign of variation. If you want to remove this sign of variation, you have to introduce the constant of variation, k, but we call k1 for the first one. Okay, so this is the first equation corresponding to w varies inversely as v. Okay, then we are told that u varies directly as w cubed. That is, u varies directly as w cubed. Okay, because it's directly, you don't need to put 1 over. You only put 1 over if it is inverse. Okay, so what does this mean? It means that u equal to, because we have to remove the sign of variation, so it means that u equal to, I've used k1, so I will now use k2, so u equal to k2 w cubed. Okay, all right. Now we are told find the relationship between u and v. So by saying find the relationship between u and v, we mean that from equation 1 and equation 2, we have to eliminate w, because the relationship is not between w and anything, but between u and v. Okay, so how do we eliminate w? What we have to do in this equation, we will substitute the value of w in equation 1 in equation 2. Okay, so put w equal to k1 over v in equation 2. Okay, so equation 2 is u equal to k2 w cubed, which is k2. You will now substitute the expression for w, so k1 over v cube. Okay, so if you now remove the cube, if you now open bracket, you have what? k1 cube all over v cube. Then this is what? k2 k1 cube, because we will now multiply with k2, all right, all over v cubed. Okay, so this is u, this is u. Now k2 is a constant for variation, k1 cube is also a constant, and constant times constant is another constant. Okay, so when we call k2 k1 cube, we will call it another constant k. Okay, so k is equal to k2 k1 cube. Okay, where k equal to k2 k1 cube. Okay, therefore we have the law of variation, u equal to k over v cube. We'll call this equation 3. Okay, now we are given that u equal to 1 when v is equal to 2, so we will have to substitute u equal to 1, v equal to 2 in equation 3. Okay, so put u equal to 1, v equal to 2 in equation 3. So if you do that, you have what? 1 equal to, we are putting it so that we can find the value of the constant of variation k. Okay, so if we put u equal to 1 here, you have 1 equal to k over, then put v equal to 2, so 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so if you cross multiply here, you have what? 1 times 2 raised to power 3 equal to k. That is 1 times, what is 2 raised to power 3? 8. So 1 times 8 equal to k. What does this mean? K is what? What is 1 times 8? Is 8. Okay, so k is equal to 8. So put back k equal to 8 in equation 3. You have what? U equal to k over v cube. That is u equal to 8 over v cube. Okay, so and that is option what? E. Thank you for listening.